Here's a quick and easy game for whole step and half step. You can use a real piano or a plastic laminated one like this. Get your die. All of the half steps are odd numbers and the whole steps are even numbers. Choose a key. Have everybody put, let's say, a marker, an eraser, something on the F, and then roll. We have an even number, so we're going to do a whole step up and have everyone do up or have them do down, your call. And then after they've done 3 successful or 5 successful rounds, they win the game.